Hey guys, welcome to the last video of October. This is the second time I'm trying to film this video. The first time I made an awesome little Jack Skellington to go with the Sally doll, and all the video file was corrupted and was unusable. To be able to get the video out for the end of October, I'm going to instead make this video, which is a Jack Skellington keychain or an ornament for your Christmas tree. I probably won't be posting in November because I'm going to get videos ready for December. They're going to be winter and Christmas themed. So look out for that. Here's a picture of the Jack I made. I'll link the pattern down below in the description box if you want to try making it for yourself. To start today's video, make a magic circle with 6 single crochets in it. For round 2, increase in each stitch all the way around. For round 3, do 1 single crochet and an increase and repeat that all the way around. For round 4, single crochet 2, then increase and repeat that all the way around. For round 5, single crochet 3, then increase and repeat that all the way around. For round 6 to 12, single crochet all the way around. For round 13, do 3 single crochets and a decrease, and repeat that all the way around. For round 14, do 2 single crochets and a decrease, and repeat that all the way around. For round 15, do 1 single crochet and a decrease, and repeat that all the way around. Stuff your head, then decrease all the way around and fasten off, sewing up the hole. Next, with your smaller hook, we'll make the eyes. Make a magic circle with 6 single crochets in it. For round 2, increase in each stitch all the way around, then fasten off. Make a second eye the same way and sew it to the head. After sewing the eyes to the head, embroider on a nose and a mouth. Lastly, take a piece of yarn and sew it to the top of the head to make the hanger. And there you have your Jack Skellington ornament or keychain. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this October videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in December. Bye!